This video is about how to copy, cut, and paste text so that you can share text with your friends and family. So I've got various apps open here. Let's say I'm reading an article that I think is interesting. Here I am on GQ, and it's an article about great ab workouts. So if I read something that I think might be useful to others, I can copy and paste some of this text into an email or a text message. So here's how I do that. Basically, I would long press my finger anywhere in the text where I think I'd like to copy some text. So anywhere will do. I think I'm going to place my finger right in front of the first letter in the paragraph. Long press there. All right. So then I have a couple options. I can copy the word the and then share that. That would be rather pointless. How about I take that blue circle in the lower right of the highlighted text, and I'm going to grab that with my finger and basically highlight more text because I'd like to copy more than just one word. So I'm going to grab that circle, and how about maybe just the first sentence? Very good. So now I've got several options. I can copy this and I can paste it into, let's say, an email, and I'll demonstrate how to do that. So copy. Now I'm going to swipe this out of the way. I'm going to open up an email app, and I'm going to compose an email. So I can tap here, and I can long press where my cursor is, and then I have the option to paste. Bam. And then I can share that by sending the email. Okay. Let's say I also wanted to share that text with someone. Well, I can tap my email, and let's say I want to text a friend or maybe my wife. So there we go. And I can tap in the text bar there, long press where my cursor is. I can paste there. I'm going to cancel that. So let's go back to the original text, and I'm going to tap on the highlighted text. You could, instead of just copying and then pasting into a text, you could click share. So I'm going to select that. And then you have the text app that shows up and the Gmail app. So when you tap any of those, that might be a quicker way to do what I just described. So you can also do some other actions there. But let's say I want to text it to someone. There you go. And then I would type whoever I want to send that to. And the text is already there for me. So that's how you would do that. Let's say that there's something that I type, and then I want to copy and paste it into some other app. So I'm going to bring up a Google Doc that I have here. And let's say that I'm ready to type something. So I'm going to click the pencil in the lower right. This is a Google Doc. How about I dictate this? Okay, so you see where my cursor is blinking. Let's long press there and see what happens. Okay, now I've got a couple options there. I could select all. How about I do that? I'm going to select all. There we go. It selects the whole thing for me. What if I only want to, let's say, copy part of that text? So I grab the blue circle on either end, and I can drag, and maybe I only want to copy the first few words. And then I can copy that, and then I can paste that into a text or an email or wherever I wish. So that's basically how you would copy and paste. It's a pretty simple gesture using your finger, and I hope that was helpful.